Students come and ask me that, sir, if I start studying at this point in time, at this junction in time, will I get good marks in JEE and NEET? They come and ask me, is it okay if I start preparing this right now? They say, we know we've messed up, but is it okay to start right now? And I say, yes, it is okay even if you start right now, if you follow certain standard procedures, standard structures, and strategic analysis and strategy output, which I'm going to share with you today. If you're willing to do this, and if you have this real goal, the desperation to win, if you have that, then definitely you can make it very, very big in this JEE examination as well as the NEET examination or whichever entrance examination you are giving in 2017. So, sabse pehle, kill tension. Chuck tension. Tension is of no use. Second, destroy the anxiety of the future. The future anxiety is of no use. Put your entire energy into the present and start working in the present for the present. Know what to work with and work in the present. This is very important. And the third most important thing that I want to share with you is avoid taking too many suggestions from too many people. Trust the few that you really want to and go with them throughout. Let them be your mentor, let them be your coach. Too many cooks spoil the soup. Very importantly, do a SWOT analysis. What is a SWOT analysis? SWOT. Strength, weakness, threat, and opportunity. Okay? Now, for you, I'm only going to do the SW, the strength and the weakness. If you take a subject like biology or maths or physics or chemistry, take any subject. Write down what is your strength in this subject. Like you can say, मुझे numerical सब आता है, मुझे diagram सब आता है, लेकिन मुझे ये concept नहीं आता है. जो नहीं आता है वो weakness. जो आता है और मस्त आता है, that is your strength. Make a strength and weakness analysis. Do a SWOT for yourself. Do a baby SWOT analysis of the subject. Now, once you do it for the subject, then pick up every chapter. And really do this. Now pick up circular motion and write down circular motion में आपका strength क्या है. Then write down circular motion में आपका weakness क्या है. किस चीज से डर लगता है, क्या चीज है जो समझ में नहीं आता है, क्या चीज है जो आपका पसीना निकालता है. All this becomes weakness. Then what is the strength? वो क्या आता है, क्या मस्त आता है, क्या अच्छे से आता है, क्या पढ़ने को अच्छा लगता है, क्या इजी है, ये सब हो गया स्ट्रेंथ. सो मेक अ डिटेल्ड स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस ऑफ एवरी चैप्टर देन व्हाट विल यू डू. जो स्ट्रेंथ है इसको रखो और जो वीकनेसेस है ना, इसको लेके जाओ टीचर के पास, इसको लेके जाओ कोच के पास, इसको लेके जाओ मेंटर के पास और उसको लेके बैठो और उसके साथ सॉल्व करो, समझो कैसा करने का. डू अ डिटेल्ड SW एनालिसिस. ये जब तक नहीं करोगे ना तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू गोना बी लाइंग टू योरसेल्फ सेइंग दैट इतना आता है, इतना नहीं आता है. बट वंस यू हैव इट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, वंस यू हैव इट ऑन द पेपर, व्हेन यू सी इट यू विल नो इट कि क्या आता है, क्या नहीं आता है. सो राइट डाउन दी SW. वीडियो को यहीं पर पॉज करो, पॉज करके ना आगे मत जाओ, पॉज करके गेट इनटू डूइंग दिस SW एनालिसिस. Then only this video will help you. नहीं तो क्या फायदा ना सुन के. You will know what to do but you're not doing. The next month also will be like this only, damaged. Can you succeed in 7 months? Yes. What should you do? This is the first thing that you do. Do an SW analysis. कितना टाइम लगेगा SW analysis करने में? मेरे हिसाब से you should take 2 days to do SW analysis for all the 3 subjects that you're majoring in. JEE है तो PCM, नीट है तो PCB. तीन सब्जेक्ट तो है, 2 दिन में काम हो जाएगा आपका. नहीं होगा? Nobody can make a strategy or a timetable for you which is better than the one which you make for yourself. Not even the All India first ranker. Their timetable should act as a guiding point for you to understand and you to make your own schedule. Is that clear? Now, I'm going to share with you a timetable which a student made exactly the same way. He divided the whole of physics into 3 months. So he decided which chapter to do in the month of October, the remaining in the month of November, and the rest in the month of December. Which means the student used 3 months to break down physics, chemistry, and maths, or physics, chemistry, and biology for you if that's what you're looking out for. He broke down the whole of physics into 3 segments. So in every month, he did 1/3 of physics, 1/3 of chemistry, and 1/3 of his preferred subject, which could be maths or biology. So I'm going to talk from maths point of view. So he broke down the whole of physics into 3 parts. So in the particular month of October, he finished 1/3 of the portion. The remaining 1/3 he finishes in the month of November, and in December he finishes the whole of physics. Likewise, the whole of chemistry and whole of biology or maths, whatever that is. The next 3 months, you should be able to finish the whole of the NCERT. Now remember, NCERT अगर पूरा आ गया मतलब सब कुछ आ गया, correct है? Because every question that they ask in your JEE or the NEET, you have already known this by now. It's a combination of 2 or more concepts. So once you know all the concepts, you are in a position to tackle, handle, solve and resolve every MCQ that comes. ऐसा कोई मुश्किल MCQ है ही नहीं. मुश्किल का मतलब क्या है मालूम है ना? मुश्किल का मतलब ये है कि आपको एक हाथ कॉन्सेप्ट समझा नहीं जिसके आधार पर ये सवाल बनाया गया है. The moment you understand that this question is built on 2 or 3 MCQs, you are sought. So remember, in these 3 months, the entire NCERT should be done and up and sorted. ये एनसीईआरटी बुक के साथ आप कोई भी बुक रेफर करो, महेश रेफर करो, सुरेश रेफर करो, दिनेश रेफर करो, यूएसएस रेफर करो, कुछ भी रेफर करो, मुझे उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. नहीं, आपको फर्क पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल द बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. करेक्ट है ना? नाउ विद द एनसीईआरटी यू हैव टू रेफर सम स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स जैसे एचसी वर्मा या फिर आयरोडो. यूज ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन. हाईलाइट योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स, मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट, नो योर वीकनेसेस एंड वर्क ऑन इट. Month of January and February is going to be very tight on you because it's going to have practical examination, it's going to have your hall ticket, submission and काफी कुछ है. So January and February is not going to be something which you should actually consider. वो 40 दिन तो आपके हाथ से पूरी तरह से चला जाएगा because you are focusing on theory papers, right? And theory. So that means you are having October, November, December, then again you'll come back in March, April and then May. So basically, technically if you speak about it, you're only having these 5 months. ये 5 महीने में आपको सॉलिड मेहनत करना है एंड इट ऑल गोज राइट इफ यू वर्क वेल फॉर दीज 3 months. ये 3 महीना आपने सही काम किया तो आपका 12th और थ्योरी सही गया, प्लस आपका आगे का MCQ पेपर भी सही जाएगा. यू हैव टू सॉल्व एटलीस्ट 20 MCQ पेपर्स. 20. From these 20 MCQ papers, remember, from this 20 MCQ papers, remember that at least 10 has to be of past papers, of AIPMT or AIEEE or NEET or whatever, definitely passed. From this 20, this I've told about it. Now you can ask yourself from where I can get these papers. Now get these papers and solve it. You can write to me, we'll give you 10 complimentary papers, that's no big deal, but make sure you solve these papers. You can also ask us how to get this online tests. The online tests are doing great, so you can also test yourself for online tests. Remember, you should test yourself for at least 10 online test series papers. Solve 5 theory papers also before you go for your theory examination. If you are going to do all of this, then you are going to be a killer personality in terms of your marks. So that brings us to the big question. How many hours should you be studying every day? I say 9 hours every day. If you study for 9 hours every day, you will be doing it big and great. 9 hours dedicatedly. So what's the first thing you should do? You should knock out social media from your life, including YouTube. Knock it out from your life for the next 7 months. Be super deadly focused. Knock out every distraction from your life, and that's the only way you can make it very big in these 7 months. Can you do it? Yes. Do you have 7 months? Actually, no. You only have 5 months, technically speaking, in your hand. The remaining all time is going to be a jazz time where you're going to spend on your Diwali and your New Year's and your Christmas and your board examination and journal completion and submission and practical examination. काफी टाइम जाने वाला है. कुछ टाइम तो ऐसा भी रहेगा कि आज पढ़ने का मन नहीं है, आज तबीयत खराब है, आज किसी का शादी है. You know, a lot of distractions are going to happen. So the days that you have now, you should study for 9 hours every day. Remember in the beginning of this video, I spoke to you about doing the SW analysis. You should also do an SW analysis of your own life. What are your strengths? Are you good in physics? Are you good in maths? Are you good in diagrams? Are you good in equations? What are your weaknesses? Numericals नहीं आता है, या theory नहीं आता है, या लंबा आंसर. Work out this structure. ज़्यादा टाइम बैठ नहीं सकता, मेरा focus थोड़ा कमजोर है. Work on your strengths and weaknesses. Weaknesses को सुधारो, strengths को और बढ़िया बनाओ. So if you need, talk to a teacher, talk to a counselor, talk to a coach, talk to somebody who will help you sharpen what you're good at, help you recover what you're weak at. This is going to be a combination that you will work with. Now you will succeed. So do that analysis for your life, for your own self, for the subjects that you study, and for every chapter, and see the difference. Write back to us. I would really want to know. My team and I would want to know how you are facing this 7 months and what are your challenges. We would be so happy to come down to you and help you in every question that you will ask us on WhatsApp in this comment section. You can even email to us. My name is Anil Thomas, and with me on the camera is Ramona Lewis. Thank you and see you soon.